Welcome to a combined unit 4H and 4J at 525 East 89th Street on the Upper East Side of New York City. This combination has allowed this apartment to have tremendous space and tremendous storage, but the flow is really good. A lot of times with combined apartments, they seem kind of awkward, and this one does not at all. It really feels like a large, sprawling home. So as you come in, we came in on this side. You can see you enter into a dining area. And then in here is the eat-in kitchen with a gorgeous window. Really nice renovation here. Took great care with the cabinetry and the appliances. And then this lovely eat-in area with 2 windows. And that area that you're looking out into is the private garden for Gracie Gardens, which, to my way of thinking, is just something quite extraordinary in the city. Once you're in the garden, you no longer think you're in the city. Look at this fun ceiling fan. I love that. Let's take flight. Okay, coming out of the kitchen. Here they created a wonderful little home office nook. And there's quite a large closet here. Then going into the primary bedroom, which again has windows in 2 directions. This entire apartment is just full of windows and light. Here you have 2 quite large closets. A look out this window into the garden again. And then coming here, you have quite a nice river view. That's the East River there. In the winter, when the trees lose their leaves, you can see it really directly. But as you can see, you do have an East River view. Another window, the primary bathroom with a shower stall. And again, a window. Every room has a window. Okay, coming out of this wing of the apartment with the primary bedroom, and reminding you, there's the kitchen there. And this is where we came in with the dining area. Now we have a large and gracious living room. Really quite a large space. And the windows just frame this beautiful look into Gracie Gardens, the private gardens. But you still get sky because the building across the way is, only 1 story higher than this one. So wherever you have sky, you have light. And this apartment is quite light. Through the wall AC there. And then moving in this direction, we have a study space and the second of 3 bedrooms. This bedroom, like all of them, has beautiful windows, looks out into this gorgeous garden, Gracie Gardens. And because that's the back of the building, it's quiet. And then you have two quite large built-in closets. Here's one. And then here's the other one. There's also storage that transfers with the apartment. So again, coming out of the second bedroom, a study or work area here, and then a family or media room. And then turning in this direction, we have the third full bedroom. Lots of built-ins on this side. Once again, windows, 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 looking out into that gorgeous garden. So pretty. Look at the sky. Another window there. And then again, lots of closet space, even with the built-ins over there, which of course you could take out if you didn't need them. Lots of closet space over here. There are all the built-ins, looking back over towards the window. And now you have a second full bathroom here with, again, lots of storage space. Even more storage space. Another window. This one has a tub, which of course is also a shower. There's that third bedroom again. Here's the media room. Now you're looking at the other entrance to the apartment. I'll open the door so that you can see. It's the other entrance to the apartment. And then this is a real treat here. You have a half bathroom and a full laundry room with really an enormous washer and dryer. You know, to me, this just feels like a suburban washer and dryer. It doesn't feel like what you usually get in the city. And of course, another closet. Storage space here. The half bath. So just reminding you, that's the other entrance to the apartment. This is the media room. Second full bath, so you have 2.5 baths. Third large bedroom. Study space. Second large bedroom. Very large and gracious living room. Beautifully renovated kitchen with that fun fan. Office space. Primary bedroom and primary bathroom. And then coming back out, we have the dining area and the way that we came in. So this has been apartment 4HJ at 525 East 89th Street in New York City on the Upper East Side. Less than a block away from Gracie Mansion and the Carl Schurz Park. A quiet and lovely place. The building has full-time staff on the doors. So reach out with any questions or to view it in person.